So official unboxing video of Samsung S24 Fan Edition has just surfaced online and it is about to launch officially in 2 days. Its official launch date is September 26th. Anyways, in the video you can see that we got the typical Fan Edition box, and upon opening the box we got some usual material in it: a guide, SIM ejector tool, a charging cable and a Galaxy S24 FE itself. It comes in 4 different colors: blue, graphite, grey, mint and yellow. The design is pretty much same as of the last year's Galaxy S23 FE. It's got these nice rounded edges and vertical cameras. Phone has boxy design just like the iPhones. On the front side the bezels are way thicker, but still what we can expect from a Samsung Fan Edition phone. So there is a triple camera setup at the rear side, which includes a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 50 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera. Camera specs are pretty much same as of its predecessor except the new 50 megapixel sensor. While on the front side we have a 6.7 inches display with center punch hole having 10 megapixel selfie camera. This display is obviously going to be 120Hz, but if it's not, then a clear shame to Samsung for this act. Anyways, the display has a peak brightness of 1900 nits, which is just fine for a mid-range phone. Samsung S24 FE packs up 4700 mAh of battery, which is a cool thing. Body of the phone is made up of aluminum with Gorilla Glass on front and back sides obviously. Samsung S24 FE have the IP68 dust and water resistance ratings. So that ends up here. That was the unboxing of Samsung S24 FE. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.